This extension is insane. Now I will show you how this works. So you can see in my ChatGPT, here's the icon, and you can see just I hit the limit. Now I need to go to another chat. So what I can do, I can just click here and save this chat context. Just click here. Okay, it's saving, you can see, and here is capturing the context, and you can see context saved is done. Now we can go to any new chat and come here and click on this icon, and you can see load the context. Just click here and you can see here is the context, and here I previously saved the context, and here is the one, and just click here and it will be here, and just click send prompt. Now let's see what it's saying. So you can see it's just to get the full context from the previous session, and it's ready for next input. Now I'm going to ask a question. Okay, what was the context? Okay, so you can see it's saying about my portfolio. I was generating some content, so when I hit the limit, I just copy the context and paste it here. I'll show you the extension. It's like a good extension. Its name is Promptive Sentry. You can see, you can just search on Google, and you will get this in Chrome store. Just click here and you can see this is the extension. Rating is good. You can read the rating, and it will work with Claude, GPT, and Gemini also. So you can just add this to your Chrome or Brave, and you can enjoy, and it will be available to your ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. I hope this extension will help you. So let's see you in the next video.